Hi everyone, Kevin here. Today, I'll show you how you can watch full-length movies on YouTube completely free, and it's also 100% legal. YouTube actually has a massive catalog of free films, but the feature's a little buried, so most people never find it. Let me show you where it lives and how you can start watching tonight. Let's dive in. First, head to YouTube on your computer, phone, or TV. Over on the left-hand side, click on the hamburger menu to expand it, and then scroll down a little bit until you find the Explore category. Look for Movies and TV. If you don't see it right off, you may need to click on Show More. Then click on this option. On the Movies and TV page, you'll see a tab at the top that says Free. And here, when you click on that, you'll see the full catalog of free movies. And there are so many good options here. Some of my favorites, we have Mr. Bean. If I scroll down a little bit more, Airplane, Lucy. If I scroll over, here we have another one, Mission Impossible. All good movies. Now, underneath any of them, you'll see text that says free, or in some cases, they'll say free with ads. To watch a movie, you simply click on it and it'll just start playing. There's no login, no subscription, nothing extra. The ads are similar to what you see in just a regular YouTube video. Now, this also works on a smart TV, Xbox, PlayStation, Apple TV, and more. It's kind of like Netflix or Amazon Prime, but you don't have to pay anything at all. If you ever want to watch new releases or newer titles, they're also on Movies and TV. Up on top, let's click on Browse. And if we scroll down the page just a little bit, here we'll see a section for top selling movies. You could rent or buy them with your Google account, but that's totally optional. Now, personally, I think the free library alone is surprisingly big, and it's also updated often, so you'll likely find something there. And that's how you watch free movies on YouTube. Let me know what movie you decide to watch down below in the comments, and have a good movie night.